Welcome back, Madventure fans. The year is 2021. This is shortly after the last lot of lockdowns we had. As I left you last time, we were just about to start the nav station fiberglass in it in and the window frames. Stick with us guys and we'll give you a sneak peek into the future. Enjoy. Wow, back on the boat again. Happy birthday to me, happy birthday to me. 12 months on, 12 months on. We're back on the boat again after how many lockdowns, lost track of it. Last time I were here, we were sat in my front room in a dinghy doing a bit of green screening to make it feel like we were enjoying a birthday sail down the Nile. Oh, how times have passed. I've not seen the boat since October. We're now end of March now, so end of March. And the last time I left it, she's in a state. I've not brought him along. You know who? Mr. Davey Bones. I didn't want to bring him along because it might have upset him, the state that the boat's in. And it does feel sad. It's a bit mucky. Looks like this, I don't know, condensation bits, yeah, a lot of muck about. But fantastic feeling being back on the boat again. I've got some work cut out. I've not come down this weekend to do any work on it, just to check on the boat, so come down and have a quick nosy. But there's some work to do. Needs good tidy up, outboard servicing, rigging should be in pretty good nick. Pull it out, anti-foul it, just general check, get all my electronics, make sure they're working fine. But yeah, I know I'm not a person that inside I'm buzzing, on the outside I'm but yeah, inside it's, yeah, chuffed. One of the best birthday presents in a long while, being back on. So, yeah, I don't know. Something I will say is, I don't know if I'm going to be carrying on with the video vlogs. I've said this before. I'd like to say thank you to the guys that have kept up and enjoyed the vlogs and given me the positive comments. There's people like Sailing Achilles, Dave Woolley, my mum, my dad, Auntie Anne and Uncle Ian. Yeah, there was some recent people on the Instagram started spreading the good word about and that, and thank you to them as well. But I just don't feel like my heart's in it anymore, going home and editing videos and things like that. It's a lot of hard work, and to do that and as well as a full-time job, it's pretty tough. It's, yeah. And the job I've got, I'm sat on a computer now all day. Well, I say all day, but some days I can be sat there all day, so I've had enough of looking at a laptop by the time I get home. But it is where it is. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Main thing is now I'm going to lose a few weekends, I think, coming down. I'm going to have to come down, crack on and hopefully enjoy some of the summer if all this madness stops. And we don't need these COVID passports to go out sailing because I'm not going near anyone, I'm on the ocean. I've got my own views on things that's cracking off at the minute. I don't want to go into that, but yeah. You've just got to question everything that's going on at the minute, haven't you? Horrible times, really is. But on the positive note, yeah, you guys stay positive. Summer's on its way. We're going to enjoy some sunshine, all being well. And fingers crossed, if we can get this out of the water, get anti-fouled, and we can crack on with some more sailing again. That's the plan. And yeah, looking forward to it. I just don't fancy the cleaning. Does anyone fancy coming down doing the cleaning for me? It's hard work all this on your own. Don't get me wrong, there's friends and family in the background, but they don't They're not boaters, they're not boaters, it's just myself. I'm the mad one in the friends and family business, so yeah, who knows. Oh, I think I'll leave it at that. I'm just waffling now, but yeah, thank you for coming, thank you for watching. I'm not a professional sailor, but I'll try and answer your questions as best you can, and I'll just tell you basically what I've been doing if it's anything technical. Last time I left the boat as well, before I go, I was in the middle of doing my window frames, which cat's out of the bag because you've seen it now. You've seen the finished article, but as lockdown happened, these are going to come towards the end of 2021, so you've got all the Madventures from 2020 because it's not live on YouTube. So you'll see all that throughout 2021, last year's Madventures, and I've put a bit more technical effort into them videos as well, so hope you all enjoy them. And yeah, thank you for coming, and I'll catch you all again, hopefully, very, very soon. Well, hello there, Madventure fans. Where am I? What am I doing? This is my house. My house, you say? What do you mean, my house? It's a Norman 27-foot river cruiser that I've been living on for the last year and a half. Yeah, the last year and a half. That's why I've sort of disappeared for the last couple of years, pandemics and whatever else. And then I bought one of these as a cheap liverboat for a couple of years. And just currently in the middle of doing some tidying up work. So this is me currently. I'll give you a sneak peek and I'll take you inside where it's a little bit less windy. So here we go. I'll show you front to back. There you have it. I'll take you back inside now where it's a little bit less windy and it's a little bit warmer. So here we go. Oh, here we are in the cockpit. Look at this. Captain's chair. Nice little helm there going on, a proper little shiply ship helm. And there's normally some seating there, but like I say, middle of just doing some work and just tidying some bits outside, get some anti-slip down on the sides and freshen all that up. I'll show you my bedroom. It's not the tidiest, but it's my bedroom. Here's my bedroom. So there you go, that's my bedroom. Ensuite facilities. Outboard just through to the back there, so you get access through there. Plenty of locker space below there. Converted little cupboard there just below the bed. Under here we've actually got water tanks, good old Henrys, heating tanks, things like that. And battery, looks a bit messy, ignore that bit. And then as we go through to here, we come through in here, this is kitchen, dining room, rest of the kitchen. Yep, so you've got a living room there, and then as you come back on yourself, I've got my bathroom. That's sort of the bathroom. This opens up, and then it sort of extends the bathroom. I won't show you the bathroom because I've not tidied it up and I'm embarrassed to show you the bathroom. But what then tends to happen then, you've got this lifts up, which then gives you a shower tray just below. So that'll flip up to there to give you a full bathroom. There's a finishing piece to go on that there, so don't worry too much about that. So this is my life for the last year and a half. I've been living on here. That's kind of why I've come away from Madcat sailing. I've just sort of got home and then in the first 6 months I were getting stuff done on here and just physically didn't have the time or energy to edit videos because it's quite intense to do that, which I'm sure I've told you before. So I've kind of come away from the videos, and this has kind of just got me living accommodation livable, and it's been good fun. Don't know about river cruises, I can comment on that another day, but it's a different lifestyle. I can't say I dislike the lifestyle, it's great, I love boats and living on boats. It's been good fun compared to living in a concrete box basically. And you got a lot more freedom as well because your house comes with you. Wherever you go, your house comes with you. You're not thinking, I forgot something, I better drive millions of miles back to pick something up. It's all there, it's with you. So I don't know whether I'm going to be edited. Well, I think I will be because I kind of getting the bug back a little bit as well. So I think I'll probably end up showing you some videos later on. I'll probably edit some of the earlier videos. So I've got some video footage of this in the early days when I were ripping it to bits and some of the issues that I were having. So you may see that. I've still got some of the videos from Madcat sailing to show you as well. So I'll release them. They're already edited. With me and my dad sailing up the east coast of England, which kind of give a teaser trailer to last year. And then I just went, forget it, and couldn't be bothered, and Instagram, Facebook, shut all that down. Just thought, you know what, forget it, I'm moving on. I'm just gonna live life sort of thing without worrying, am I doing a video, am I posting on Instagram, am I posting on Facebook, are people liking the content? So I just thought, you know what, sod it, that's me. So that's kind of another reason why I disappeared. So here I am back again, giving it another go. Not looking for millions of followers, but just whoever is watching, just give us a little thumbs up, hit the subscribe, ding a bell now and again, just let me know you're enjoying it. Even if I've got one person enjoying it, that's me happy. Not looking for a full-time job at this, so I'm going to leave you at that for now. So thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all again soon. Keep up the Madventures, guys. I'm watching you. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you next time on Madcat Sailing. Don't forget, like, subscribe and share with your mateys.